The best thing about the vehicle is driving the vehicle.
I love driving this vehicle.
The cockpit, the steering, it's brilliant.
This cab is all set up properly. It's all aligned. Ergonomics are completely right for the cab. Everything's electric around the seats. I've got the top of the range cab.
I love the fact that it's quick if you need it to be quick.
Performance is just phenomenal.
But the handling of the cab, I mean, everybody in the back of the cab, they go, God, it's quick, because they don't expect a London cab to have the torque that it's got and the pull away.
It handles better. I love the fact that there's no gearbox that's kicking in and jolting you forward.
I always have it in Regen 2, which I like because I very rarely use brakes.
You lift your foot off the accelerator.
And the cab just slows itself.
So I'm 50,000 miles in, and I don't think I've even gone halfway through my pads and discs.
The switch from petrol and electric, the way that it just smoothly pulls along, seamless.
And it's a joy to drive. You can't fault the cab in driving whatsoever.
You know, I'm really impressed with the way that the cab feels, the way that it drives, the comfort levels.
It's smooth, effortless. It's just a pleasure to drive.
The acceleration, the power, the way that the power comes in, especially when you're in just electric mode.
You know, the drive is so quick, smooth. Yeah, it just glides around.
Normal day-to-day driving is perfect.
The driving experience is second to none. It's second to none. The driving experience is fantastic. It's the best cab I've ever driven.